Well, I was told to get in the car. That's as far as I was told. Let's see where we're going. Okay, Thai cuisine. That's pretty good. But why are we here?
All right, we had a free Saturday, and we never have a free Saturday. So I came up with a little challenge for our family today. Here's a challenge. Each of us have to pick something to do within an hour of each other, of our destination, wherever we're at. It has to be within an hour. It has to be under $20 per person, and it has to be something we've not done before. And so our first location, lunch here today, Jess picked, was within an hour of our starting. It's a Thai restaurant, and we've never, we did have takeout once before, but we've never been inside and had a full dining experience here. So we counted it, and then we'll be off to our second destination.
So we're going to assign who's next, is that correct? Okay, and who's next?
I'm next.
Is that not cheating?
No, I mean, it's the thing that gave me the idea for today's activities. And Jess didn't know she was picking lunch, so there we go. All right, we're going to be in West Mifflin, so you can...
West Mifflin, so I can start looking?
You start looking.
Okay. Yeah, ducks and crocs are two favorite things. For our next stop, we found ourselves at Get a Grip Clawcade, an arcade full of, well, claw machines. Let's go for this chicken. Close. Oh no! Where's the coins at? I only grabbed 2.
Too chubby.
He's chubby.
Oh, I thought you were gonna get the chain.
He might be my best bet right now. Beautiful. First time on that. Which one you gonna go for?
Mickey, I think. Here.
Mickey?
What do we think?
You put a little far forward.
Ooh, that's pretty centered.
Oh. All right, give me another
Yeah,
coin.
go for it. Ooh. Oh.
Mickey, last try.
That. You knocked him out. Go for it. That's how they get you in these these things. Ooh. Hey.
Mickey.
There you go. Go for it. Go for the Seminole.
I don't like is I can't see the side.
Good luck. She's going for that one right there. Ooh. Hey! Look at you go. I am now. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Boom. There we go. Okay. What's the catch? Oh.
Probably should have.
Oh.
Okay.
And then we really. Oh.
Release it up above.
Nice. Okay.
That's interesting.
All right. So it's twofold. You got to be good at
Yeah.
catching and.
And pushing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh boy. Well, I'm not good at the whole scooping part. Push, push, push. Well, I'm getting close on that one. Grabbing a Powerpuff Girl. Oh, hey! Got a little. Oh, jeez. He's got a huge forehead. Oh well, we just finished the get a grip, and I got a little chick. I got a very kind of derpy looking Goku keychain. We got the winner. Got a Pikachu hoodie, black hoodie, Mickey Mouse, and then sister got a cinnamon roll in like 2 tries. Yes. Really good. She got a Christmas cinnamon roll. So I happened to find the next stop on me, and you could just hear the map going off. And we're about to head on off. It's about a 20-minute drive from here, so we'll be back when we get there. At the corner of 20th and Carson Street here in Southside, we got Churn, my place that I found. It's an ice cream and coffee shop. I figured, let's get some dessert. I'm feeling like I want something sweet. Well, that's pretty good. That's pretty good indeed. How's everyone else's? What flavor did you get?
I got the coffee chunk, Oreo, and Christmas tree. So
Christmas tree? What's Christmas tree?
It is Little Debbie's Christmas trees made into ice cream.
Little Debbie's Christmas trees?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
That was what I was debating getting in my milkshake.
Yeah, you got a milkshake. You threw the curveball.
I got White Christmas. It's peppermint and chocolate chips.
Peppermint and chocolate chips. And first reaction? Good? And then we got this one over here. What did you get?
I got the coffee chunks and the Oreo.
Coffee chunks and Oreo. That's what I got. I got the Oreo. That's
Yes.
it was apparently making a mess, so she had to throw it into a cup. It's very coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Very coffee-esque. You got Oreo on top of that.
Yeah, the Oreo's good too. Mm-hmm. But yeah, the coffee is very coffee. Yeah.
Our final stop of the day was Pins out in Southside. Now hold up here. I know what you're gonna say. I've already been here. That is true, but my sister hasn't, so it still counts. Impressions. First impression. That great, huh? Of course, Pin's main attraction is duck pin bowling, but today we're going to be focusing on the rest of the place. We were able to find our absolute favorite pinball machine ever, the Addams Family.
Ready?
Working for us.
Like a frisbee. Did you go over? Yeah. Jolly good throw. Ooh. This isn't tic-tac-toe.